I could be down, I could be out, but one thing is true, is that my heart will be full as long as I'm with you.
Hey guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are gonna be reviewing one bag. So as you've seen in the title, we are gonna be reviewing my LV pochette bag. So I just wanna show you how it looks like. I'm not gonna tell you all the specifications. Comes with its pouch like this. And ayan siya! Ayan siya guys. Hindi ko alam kung na-appreciate nyo siya dahil sa ilaw. It's quite, ayan, medyo nagre-reflect ng konti. Ayan siya. So, this is the pochette and I just wanna show you yung kung ano ang magkakasya sa pochette na to. So, as you can see, it's so small, it's so nice, and look at the detail. So, you have like, yeah, like LV there. Tapos yan. Ayan. You have some LV here. So, when you open, ganyan siya kalaki, guys. You see? So, marami kang malalagay dito. Ako, hindi ko siya tinutodo because ayoko siya. Ang mahal-mahal ko itong binili, guys. Actually, binili namin to sa France. Hindi kami yung bumili. Bili lang namin siya. Ayan siya. And I will show you ano ang magkakasya dito. And it's super nice look. Like that. What's nice about this also is that it comes with another, wala siya dito. Yeah, it's not here because I used it. Ayun na nga. It comes with another strap para maging crossbody, but also you can also buy yung mga extender, like bag extender, and then just put the bag extender there and then magiging ganyan siya. Let's see what will fit this small bag but super nice bag, super laking bag din also. I like bags na maliit lang pero marami kang mailalagay. And so I'm so sorry guys if nakatingin ako dito sa right nyo baya. Because ngayon ko lang ginamit ulit yung camera ko and hindi ako sanay na nakatingin sa lens. So, kailangan kong i-practice yung sarili ko muna. This is my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So, kung may ganito kayo, gusto nyo malaman kung kasya siya. Yes. And ang dami pang space. Look. Look at that. Diba? If Z Flip 5 yung phone nyo, so, let's see. Kasya siya. Ayan, kasya. Actually, kasya siya. Yeah, like that. Oh. Ang dami pang space. You have Insta 360. Gusto nyong dalhin. Oh my gosh, kasya siya. Pero ayoko na siyang i-push. So, let's see naman kung normal na, na lakad, like usual routine. This is my makeup bag. Ayan. Have everything there. Oh my God! Kasha! Oh! Kasha siya. And then, actually, I have one pouch. Kung OG subscriber kayo, alam nyo na meron ako laging isang pouch which has everything. Like, kung nagmamadali ako, ito lang ang dadalhin ko. And, magsusurvive ako for the whole day. Because this one has my power bank, my tint, my cards there. I have perfume, I have lip balm, and I have cords to charge my phone, my camera. So I don't think this will fit together with the lips, with the, yeah, look. So we need to remove this makeup pouch and put this one. Uy, kasha siya. Oh my gosh. And then, pwede ka pang maglagay ng phone. Kasi maluwag pa talaga siya, guys. Oh, as in, maluwag pa. Right? Oh my gosh, ngayon ko lang to na-appreciate kasi hindi ko talaga siya ginagamit. Nakatingin na naman ako dito. So, ngayon ko lang talaga siya na-appreciate kasi hindi ko siya talaga ginagamit, guys. Like, ever. Because, unang-una, pag bumili ako ng mahal na bag, hindi ko siya ginagamit, which is bad. Kasi dapat, ina-ROI mo siya, di ba? Pero yung mga ina-ROI ko, yung mga mura kong bag na, like, pwede ko siyang bitawan kahit saan, and hindi ko iniisip, hindi ko siya aalagaan, ganon. So, ayun guys, ayun lang naman. Kung gusto niyo bang makita kung kasya yung Kindle, kung kayong magbasa-basa and may Kindle kayo like me, look ang binabasa ko, The Duke and I ng Bridgerton. So, guys, kasya. Oh, kasyang-kasya. Actually, kasya siya with my pouch. Look. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Kasya siya. So, ayun. At least meron na kayong basis. Ayan, ganyang kalaki kasya dito. So, malaki talaga siya, guys. Sinasabi lang na mini. And also, meron siyang isang packet sa loob. I hope this video help you a little bit kasi ako, when I'm searching for videos kasi, like for example, I wanna buy something, I will search on YouTube kung ano ang magkakasya, what will fit the bag. Kasi it's so hard for me to buy a bag and I don't know if my iPad will fit, if my Kindle will fit, if my pouch will fit, if my camera will fit. So, ang dami ko talagang nire-research muna. I'm doing this video because these are the videos that I wanna see. But, walang gumagawa. Yun, ako na lang ang gagawa. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!